Hey guys, welcome back to this update video on what the next 3 to 4, maybe 5 videos are going to be about. So I don't know if you guys have heard of this guy, DevEd on YouTube. Great YouTuber that has to do with code design, multimedia, and more. So I came across this Juice web UI design, and he gives you all your files for free. It's done in XD, and I saw that people were wanting to turn it into a HTML website or design. So I figured, why not turn it into a WordPress design? So that's what I've done, and I want to walk you guys through how to do that. So my next video is going to be all about how to create this juice bar design. And then he has another UI design that's really nice that I'm thinking about doing the same thing with. So, and then I'm also going to mix in there, I'm going to continue with my Unlimited Elements series as well. So I hope you guys like what videos are coming up, and I will see you in the upcoming videos. Talk to you later.